Good morning, first grade. This is your math class for Thursday, April 2nd, 2020. And welcome, Sophie, too. This is our lesson 8.7. Lesson 8.7. Today you're going to need your lesson papers, dry erase marker, and a dry erase board. I'm going to try something a little different today. I've been teaching your lessons. I've been teaching your lessons at the table. I'm going to try up here on the whiteboard today, see if I like it better. It'll give me two hands free. I don't have to hold the camera. And I'll try and do the lesson up here with you. And then I'll be asking your moms and dads if you could see the paper good enough this way. It's a little bit farther away than the table, so I hope you can still see it okay. Hopefully you can tell Mom and Dad, I really liked the board, or I'd rather have her do it at the table. I can see it better. So be thinking, do you like this way better or the table way better? Which one helps you see the best? Okay? All right. I'm going to just move this for a moment and get your whiteboards out with your marker. On your whiteboards, let's write the word tens and ones. Okay? Like that. Tens and ones. Remember, we've been talking about these place values all year long. The hundreds, tens, and ones, we keep track of it on our days in school. We keep track of it on our teacher's easel, so you should be familiar. This side over here is the ones place. The left-hand side is the tens place. I'm going to give you a few riddles, and we're going to practice writing numbers. Remember, your number doesn't have to be the same as my number, but it should follow the rule. The first rule is write a number that has 6 ones. 6 ones. What number are you going to put in the tens place? I'm going to put a 3. Is 36 correct? Does it follow the rule? Does 36 have 6 ones? Yes. What number did you pick? Okay, let's try it again. Erase that side, erase that side. Listen to this rule. Write a number that has 4 tens. My number that I wrote is 47. Does it follow the rule? Does it have 4 tens? It does. What number did you write? Okay. Remember, you don't have to write teacher's number as long as it follows the rule. Let's try one more. Write a number with 3 tens. My number's 30. Does 30 have 3 tens? Yes. Does your number have 3 tens? What's your number? Very good. You can go ahead and erase your board, friends. Excellent. All right, let's get your paper out. Right there. All right. Lesson 8.7. Let's read the very top together. Oh, name on our paper. Teacher, write your name on your paper, friends. And don't forget your date. 4-2-20. 4-2-20. Please read the name over the lesson with me. Use place value to add. Essential question. How can you model tens and ones to help you add 2-digit numbers? Listen and draw. Model the problem with rods and cubes. Draw a quick picture to show your work. Already notice, here's my picture I have on the front. To the left is the tens place. To the right is the ones place, so be mindful of that, tens and ones. Listen carefully. Cameron has 30 shiny pennies and 25 dull pennies. How many pennies does Cameron have? Before we move on, shiny, you know what shiny means. Dull means not shiny, maybe dark or dingy, if you're wondering what dull means. All right, Cameron has 30 shiny, 25 dull. Let's model 30 up here, tens and ones. 0 ones for 30. Now down here, let's model the number 25. Very good. Now we have to answer the question, how many pennies does Cameron have? Well, let's add our tens place together first and then move on to our ones. Let's add our tens. 2, 3, 4, 5, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. How many pennies does Cameron have? 55. All right. Let's open up your paper. And there we go. The very top says model and draw. Let's read it together. How can you use tens and ones to add? Let's look at the problem over here. Let's read it. They have it in column form. That means up and down. 35 plus 38. Let's go ahead and trace. First, they modeled 35, 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Then they're going to model 38 down below. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. Very good. Now the next step. 3 tens plus 5 ones is 35. 3 tens plus 8 ones is 38. Now we're going to add the tens place, okay, friends? What is 3 plus 3? You're right, it is 6. So we have 3 tens plus 3 tens equals 6 tens. Now let's add the ones. What's 8 plus 5? 13. And I have 13 ones. So what is 60 plus 13? It would look like this. Yeah, we could just go straight. 6 plus 1 is 7. And we could add our ones is 3. So 35 plus 38 is 73. All right. Let's move on. Number 1. Draw a quick picture. Use tens and ones to add. Let's look here. Read the equation with me in column form. 81 plus 14. We're going to model 81 at the top and 14 on the bottom. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 1, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. All right. Here it tells us I have 8 tens and 1 1. I have 1 10 and 4 ones. Let's add the tens together. What's 8 plus 1? 9. What's 1 plus 4? 5. Very good. So what's 9 tens? It is 90. 9 tens is 90. And then we're going to bring the 5 down. What's 90 plus 5? You're right. It's 95. So 81 plus 14 is 95. All right, moving on. Flip it like a pancake. Let's do number 2 together. Number 2. It says, draw a quick picture. Use tens and ones to add. Friends, if you can do this all on your own and you don't want to do it with teacher, have your parents just fast forward through the lesson. If you want to do it with teacher, then let's do it together. Number 2, let's read it together. 43 plus 37. Let's model 43 at the top. 10, 20, 30, 40, 1, 42, 43. Now let's model 37. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. Remember, what is teacher going to say to everyone? Be sure your models are neat. The more neat you draw your math models, the easier they are to read. And the easier they are to read, the better chance you're going to get the information and your numbers correct. The more messy you write your math models, then they get really confusing when you go back to use them to get your information. So neat and clean, that's your challenge. All right, 4 tens plus 3 ones, that's what we have here. 3 tens plus 7 ones, that's what we have here. Let's add the tens together. What's 4 tens plus 3 tens? Yes, 7 tens. What's 7 plus 3? Oh, kids, this is kind of fun. All right, what is 7 tens? It's really 70, isn't it? And then bring down how many ones you have. Okay, what is 70 plus 10? Good, 80. So 43 plus 37 is 80. Excellent work. Let's move on. Number 3, read it with me. 62 plus 23. Let's model 62 at the top. 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. All right. 6 tens plus 2 ones, 2 tens plus 3 ones. What's 6 plus 2, friends? Good, 8 tens. What's 2 plus 3? Good, 5 ones. What is 8 tens? 8 tens is 80. Bring your 5 down for the 5 ones. What's 80 plus 5? 85. So 62 plus 23 is 85. All right, let's move on to number 4. Read it with me, friends. 27 plus 34. Let's model it first. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. There we go. Read it with me. 2 tens plus 7 ones. 3 tens plus 4 ones. What's 2 plus 3? 5 tens. What is 7 plus 4? You're right, it's 11. So what is 5 tens? It is really 50. And bring down your 11 ones. What is 50 plus 11? If you're not sure, friends, sometimes it can be easier to add 2-digit numbers together in a column form. So down here, I'm going to write 50 plus 11. Now I'm going to add the ones place. What's 0 plus 1? 1. What's 5 plus 1? 6. So 50 plus 11 is 61. And 27 plus 34 is 61. Good job. I'll let you do the hot problems if you wish. At the end of the lesson, if you want an extra challenge, do the hot problems. If not, cross them out. Let's move on at the moment and finish up together. Problem solving. Number 7, read it with me, please. Draw a quick picture to solve. Kim has 24 marbles. Al has 47 marbles. How many marbles do they have? All right, well, I always like to do this in a word problem. I always like to circle my important numbers. It just helps me focus on what's important. Let's model 24. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Let's model 47. All right. How many 10s do I have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's do it up here first. And how many 1s do I have? So I have 60, right? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 60 plus what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I have 60 plus 11. If you don't know what that is in your head, always write it down. I started to write in sentence form, but I like it in column form when I'm adding 2-digit numbers. So let's do 60 plus 11 equals what? What is 0 plus 1? 1. What is 6 plus 1? 7. There's your answer, friends. 71 marbles. You may do the hot problem on your own if you want to, or cross it out. Also the test prep, friends. Please do that on your own. Remember to add the 1s and then add the 10s. Good luck. I love you. Have a great day.